VIP rumah tanggo, gitu ane pekhago, ane shanti kerui. Kau ini borok, ane alak ane borok, ane bom kai shao, khodi borok, sar ane behala borne jin serai masa kemangui tangga, negesi naikira dihne ane shao. Borok borok para borok kabjak, boni bohi besar kabjak, taku boh kabjak. Pia batine. Asal sini sigarok, buah kuar, buah kerak, hani bang Dophani Bagwi, sung Dophani tukung ya, kosong ya kena phelai jauh. Bayu behno, दिल्ली वासियों, आप लोग मालूम है तिब्बत राज्य बॉर्डर में है, बांग्लादेश के पीस में है। इंडिजिनस पीपल हम लोग स्वाधीन राज्य है। इवन जब ब्रिटिश रूल, ब्रिटिश कैनॉट ऑक्युपाई त्रिपुरा, ऑल ओवर द स्टेट ब्रिटिश में राज किया है, एक्सेप्ट त्रिपुरा। त्रिपुरा ब्रिटिश के अंदर में नहीं है, हम लोग स्वाधीन राज्य है, प्रिंस स्टेट है। लेकिन दुर्भाग्य है हम लोग का, आफ्टर मर्जर विद इंडियन यूनियन 1949 हम लोग का भविष्य, हम लोग का फ्यूचर आस्ते आस्ते बिगड़ रहा है। हम लोग एक दूर से एक मिस्टेक है, हम लोग इन्हीं का साथ मार्च किया है। आफ्टर मर्जर विद इंडियन यूनियन, आवर पीपल, आवर नेशन, आवर त्रिपुरा नेशन, देयर फ्यूचर, देयर एस्पिरेशन slowly perishing. Therefore, before knowing Tripura, सबसे पहले भारतवासियों, मेरे प्यारों भाइयों बहनों, त्रिपुरा का इतिहास आप सब पढ़िए। If you don't know the history of Tripura, you will not know anything about our aspiration. Our history is a golden history. In whole of the world, when I have given a speech in Geneva, when I have given a speech in Germany, the same word I have uttered. Tripura is the longest kingdom in the world, second to Japan. 184 king, more than 5,000 years, is ruled by, occupied by indigenous people of Tripura. We are second largest dynasty in the world. We are second largest dynasty in the world. We have a living history at present with us. Our beloved Bhuvagra Maharaj is a living history. This history have to go on. As history says, history repeats itself. Now our history is repeating day by day. Our history repeating. It is a fact, a true, that our history, golden history, would repeat again. Bole Bagwi, we shall live together with strong mentality, with determination, with zeal, courageous. We should not ashamed, we should not feel shy to announce, to pronounce our dignity, our kingdom, our dynasty. In all over the world, not only India, our history, our glorious history. But unfortunately, after independence, after merger with Indian Union, the government of India and government of Tripura did not recognize, did not give due importance to our history. This is very unfortunate. Our history is not given importance. Our kingdom is not given importance. Our contribution of the royal family is not given importance. That's the reason behind why we are not happy with the Indian government. We are not happy with the state government. Because our culture, our tradition, our language, our land is not given importance. And we are treated as a second-class citizen of India.
Available viewers.
This is the main reason behind why our people, our indigenous people of Tripura, are fighting for their survival. We have crisis of identity. We have crisis of our politics. We have crisis of our economy. We have crisis of our land. We have crisis of our culture. We have seen such a beautiful dance. Our tradition, our culture is so high, so rich. But we are not giving due importance. This is the main pain agony of our people. The big question we ask, why our glorious culture, glorious history is not given importance by the government of India, by the government of Tripura. This is the main reason behind. From 2009, we are compelled to raise our voice, to raise our demand to create statehood, separate state within our state. We are very unfortunate people. In our own land, in our own kingdom, in our own dynasty, our own royal family, present living history, Maharaj Pradikishore is compelled to seek justice, to seek solution under the Constitution of India. We are not against Constitution of India. We are not against Indian government. We are not against Tripura government. Our demand, our voice is for our survival. Our demand is within the jurisdiction of Indian Constitution, Article 2 and 3. We are not terrorists. We are not communal. We love India. We want to live with India. But we want to live with identity. We want to live with status. We want to live with respect. The big question of our people. As a human being, as an Indian citizen, we want to live as an Indian people, as a first-class citizen. We respect India. We respect Constitution of India. That is what our demand. Our demand is justified. Our demand is legal. Therefore, I appeal to the government of India. I appeal my humble submission to our Honorable Prime Minister Modi and Home Minister Amit Shah ji to understand our pain, to realize our history, to recognize our people, so that we can live peacefully we can live with peace and tranquility with Indian people. Therefore, I appeal to the government of India to understand our feeling, to accept our demand, to listen our cry. Therefore, my request to the people of country, my request that in Delhi people, the good leaders of our India people should realize, should understand what is the pain and agony of the indigenous people of Tripura. Bone Bagwi tini ang balay ka tongtok ka sing nakarsano tini siglarok tini burirok tini buma busa aku bukurok balay kosto mabay ka gorong sai mano Khorang virus ni Bagwi onek ain kanon tongo jago andi kamang ma phone khai ka dilna officer rok IB ro phone khai ka dilo kamang ma ain kanon tongo Kumar rekhon tongo do bono tas baidi kirjun bono koi kha sung kono violent khaya. We are peace loving people, we are simple people, we are poor people. We come away from 5,000 away from Delhi. Bone Bagwi ang obono sanai sung jot tono bakha baksa khlai gai sung sak bai chak takho bai takho khamjang lai gai buchi lai gai sung chini dui din khana mo tang chini khana te sung ham ke khlai nai te jot to phai malia kabang ma lengal bai kha mai masa ya sumai mote khana te sung borok kabang khlai gai khana sung khlai lai nai okok sai na hai na jot to no ani pipe laya ani hamjak ma sebani chuba ya fare ani ko kor paisnai totor hambai klom leka